Hi guys, welcome again to the vlog. So dear friends, as I was telling you, after a long deliberation with my friends, we now decided to go to the mighty man who is standing all alone, brilliantly dressed up, putting over the green vegetation over his head. Now we are visiting to the mighty Kalinga. You know the brave man, you always heard about him. He's braving all alone, all sort of calamities and standing for ages. Let's go to him and find the beautiful and vibrant woodland and the mountain land. Okay guys, this is the way I can show the way to Kalinga. Okay man, gear up the speed. We will show the viewers the beautiful roadways that connect to Kalinga. We came across a small town. This is Mujagar, sir. In between the lost greenery, you can find small settlement. It is small town. At Mujagar, we used to come this side during the driving, na? Have you ever come, sir, this side? No, never. We had gone up to there only. So the market is quite on right now. It's the Delhi market. As you can see, the different kind of shop, different kind of works of vegetables, grocery, everything is on right now. So we cross, guys. We started our journey not early in the morning at 10:30, and we are still moving forward to see the beauty of the nature. Not only that, just to let our time go pleasurely. We just want to have fun, lot of fun, and make the holidays a memorable one. Are you enjoying, man? Yeah. So it's still on. This man is driving scooty. Today we are going to produce a very short video, but we will try our best to show the best one, right? Enjoy, man. It looks very brilliant everywhere. Just see the chain of mountains, chain of hills started appearing from here. It's very enthralling, very nice to see the beauty of this nature. You just see the picture queue from here, sir. Very wonderful. Guys, you must be enjoying. Keep watching how brilliant all these are. I'm not sure whether the camera is capturing or not. So guys, we came and now we will rest some time over a hotel. A small hotel is there. We'll have the breakfast here. The hotel, Grand Hotel, Durga
So it's
Prasad.
going to be 12. We'll have something from here.
We think so.
Huh?
Let's go and take something. So guys, let's go to the hotel and see what things are available there. Park the bike there. It's a very nice place. It's just a kind of rural setting, but it has a bit modern touch here. You can find it's so spacious, looking very beautiful, beautifully designed everywhere. So guys, see the beautiful hotel here. This is at Durga Prasad. It's looking very lightning, very beautiful. Very simple one, but beautifully designed. Okay, ask something, anything. We can eat anything. We are hungry just. Yeah. A nice arrangement for the passers-by and for the pedestrian, the travelers. Anyone can come here and just can chill over here for some time. So finally guys, we are resting at the hotel for some time and we have ordered something here. We'll have our lunch. Thereafter we will plan to go ahead. We have ordered something special. I will go on that simple food. As you know, I take. मैं क्या खाता हूँ आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? मैं ऐसे बोल दिया.
No comments.
No comments. So I'll just eat fish and simple rice. Sir will take try something special, some different delicacies of chicken. Yes, sir. Yeah, we will show you very soon. My choice is very limited in non-veg. Therefore, I will go on simple fish and egg only. What is the item name?
Chicken lollipop.
So man, a chicken lollipop. This is very simple curry of fish. So we have this lunch today.
Take my photo. Take it.
I'm taking a photo. Okay, you try one. Sir, I will also take one piece from there.
Sure.
Okay, okay, take man. Okay. Okay, I'm taking there. Right. It's so eye-catching, na? So eye-catching. The way of system. So guys, party is now over at hotel, and we are marching ahead. Our horse is ready. I mean, my scooty. Our scooty is ready right now, and we are now going to mount the hillside. It is around 10 kilometers we have to cover up, and that all along the hilly track. It is going to be very alluring as well as very adventurous for us. Let's see what is happening.
Something is written on the signboard.
What is written there? Yeah, I must show it to the viewers. Both Pulwani, Kalinga is just 11 kilometers from here. So we are carrying very nearer. Guys, just see the foothill villages. Just see how does it look like. Oh my God, they are very superb. Sir, are you marking how dense the forest?
Yeah.
You just see the hill.
Oh.
They are very brilliant.
Today, if
Very,
we get
very
time,
alluring. Huh?
today if we get time, we'll enter
So-
to forest area. We'll enter.
We
the
enter
jungle.
to the forest. Our scooty will be taken away, sir. It will be problematic. Oh my God! Just see, guys, how beautiful it is.
See,
Just see the sights.
all the workers are.
It's just mesmerizing. What you are saying?
All the workers are staring at us.
Let them stare. Let them stare. We just want fun only. March for it.
Now
March
our
for one man. Go.
journey is becoming more interesting. Shall I increase our speed?
Yeah. Increase your speed.
Road condition is good.
Guys, just enjoy the beautiful side. You can find both sides lined with very green vegetation everywhere, and it is quite adventurous. You just enjoy this. We are just a wonder people still now moving in the deep forest. We don't know, we may be lost very soon. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Just see the pristine beauty of this place. The air is just crisp, chilly and very pleasant. Wow! Yeah man, just rush the bike. It's so good. Just giving a chilling air everywhere. We are feeling just calm, relaxed. Oh my God, it's so awesome. How close the vegetation you can just find. Wow! Very nice, sir. Very beautiful. See the road. We have already started mounted. There has been a gradual change in the landform. One can easily find the beautiful things here. We are still mountaineering. We are just moving around layer after layer. You can just see the gradual change of landforms. We were in the plains area. Now we have move on to the plateaus. Now it is quite hilly areas. Wait, sir. Wait, sir. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Wow. Wow. Guys, just see the site. How beautiful it is. You can find some bucolic. You can find a lot of small vegetation, small rural setting there also. The vegetation is just brilliant, very vibrant and awesome everywhere. Just enjoy the beautiful panoramic beauty of the place. It's quite superb, quite superb. We have already mounted 4-5 layers of the mountain, of the hilly side. It's quite magnificent, magnificent. Wow, how marvelous, man. Looking everywhere. So this is where we have stopped for some time and just enjoy. Just shake the monkeys there, right? Okay, go ahead. A lot of monkeys are there. Hey, monkey, is there any important meeting? Nonsense, fellows.
Oh, coming behind.
Hey, don't make me afraid. Wow, it's so superb, sir. You just see the pointed air everywhere. Just see the pointed one. It's so mesmerizing. Just see the pointed top, sir. It's so mesmerizing. Oh, wow. You have to see the road only. Have to see the beautiful things. I will just take it. I will just go on capturing all the beautiful things. Then I will let you show on my YouTube. Okay. Guys, we are enjoying a lot. We are quite captivated. Very much allured to the beauty of this place. Oh my God, how beautiful. How beautiful. Sir, this road is on the way to my home, sir, but I never come this way because of this
It's written there.
hilly track. But this time I will definitely come. I just here to explore the beauty of this place. I just came to see and sense the beauty of this place. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, so beautiful.
It's written there. To Pulwani is 50 kilometers.
Pulwani is
50 kilometers.
50 kilometers from here. See the troops of monkeys,
So many
the flock
monkeys.
of monkeys are. Again, there is another assembly here. Hey, monkeys, which minister here? Just see the place, see the road. You can remarkably seeing the changes in the terrain. Just see the terrain.
So steep.
It's so steep, so rocky everywhere, so rocky.
If there's any accident, then there's less chance to get.
No chance at all. You just see the cutting of the roads, layers.
Small
of the
vehicle
layers
is
of-
okay.
Just keep peeping, man. Keep peeping, keep peeping, keep peeping.
Small vehicle
It's
is okay,
so
but
beautiful.
bus and trucks and all. Directly to go to reach riverside.
Every now and then, bikers, many auto rickshaw, many kind of vehicles, motor vehicles are coming on the way. The traffic is a little busy if we compare.
Hey, what is the use of this, man? I think it's
You see,
wrong
I'm
area.
very strange seeing all this. What is it, sir? Actually, I don't know. Oh my God, what is it? Guys, see the forest. See the forest. It is quite roughing off the mountain, roughing off the hillside, and making it more beautiful, more beautiful. The mountain king is enjoying a lot with the things, with the beauty around it. The mother nature is quite beautiful here. The mother nature is looking so pleasant, so beautiful. It's giving a beautiful smile everywhere. You can find the green vegetation everywhere. They are making the mother nature so alluring. You can see the mountain here. It is quite wrapping up with lot of green vegetation. They are so superb, so superb. We saw the site. We don't know what is it. Viewers, if you know, please comment this one. What is it?
This only, I think this they made it for safety of prawns.
Wow, wow.
It's prawn area, nah?
Guys, just enjoy, just enjoy.
Anytime the stones can roll down, so they plaster it.
Yeah. Please come on this kind of visit and just sense the beauty of this place. Just sense it, just perceive it. You will just feel relaxed, refreshed, and just calm. Just make a day out of your busy schedules. And just come on one day and discover the beauty of this place. I really feel like seven heaven. I feel like I'm on heaven on this earth. We are gradually entering to the district of Kandhamal. We have already crossed Ganjam district where we are working, you know. Oh my God, how beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. The words can never define so alluring things, so beautiful things. It's just a way of viewing the things. I will go on entire vlogging, sir. I thought of that I will take a very short video only, but finally I changed my mood. I must have to show all the minor details. I must have to share this journey details. It's so beautiful. My biker also very much slow. He also sensing the beautiful things here. You know this mountain man, but still then enjoying and recollecting the memories at his village. You know this mountain man, Mr. Bellu Koso. He belongs to Nagaland. A man who always spent his life in the lap of the beautiful nature. Now he's also stuck in a bog. People are watching us. They are staring in many ways, staring. Wow! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm just finding the different words to describe the beauty of this place. My mind is just exciting, just exercising my mind to find out the different beautiful terms out of my brain to ornate the beautiful place. The two wanderers are not in a mood to stop anywhere else. They just want to roam around in the deep forest. We just love the road. We just love the nature. We just love the mountain. We just love the forest. We are quite moving. The alluring, the exciting beauty of this place. You just sit and gaze upon Staring your eyes wide open. Just see the places that my camera leading you to. Just see the place. We are very slow, just to sense the smell, just to sense the scent of this place. It's awesomely beautiful. It's so pleasant. The two wanderer, the two traveler, the two wanderlust fellows are still moving forward in the deep forest. They never be stopped. Boss is coming. The gigantic Kalinga is still standing strong. It's not at all allowing us to move as freely as possible. We are just going before him, and slowly we are moving forward. The majestic Kalinga is so beautiful.
Now we can see the pine trees now.
This is fine.
Yes.
It is so. You know,
Yeah, this pine.
you can see the fine vegetation here. Oh my God. The mighty Kalinga appears to be very dreadful, very furious and dangerous, but still then he enjoys the delicacy everywhere. You can find the delicate vegetation, beautiful vegetation that are pouring a beautiful touch, a lovable touch on her body, on his body. People are roasting, man.
Yeah. The road conditions are good.
I'm continuing the vlog.
The road conditions are good, but
It's
we are
so
enjoying
beautiful.
the beauty, no?
We are
We
so
don't need
beautiful. It's so beautiful, man.
Wayside,
So finally, we end the ghati here.
Kalinga,
We end the
wayside.
village areas, and we came to our destination. What is it, sir? Okay, it's a rest house here. But okay, let's go inside. Go inside. It's a rest house here. Pathapranta Visram Gruha. Wayside Amenity Center. So here is the destination, and we came here, guys, after a long journey of 11 kilometers on the mountaineering path. It was quite exciting and thrilling and very brilliant. We enjoyed a lot and finally came to the destination, and after a while we will be going back. So till then, bye.
Bye.